1 month ago, one of my friend is planning his Indian trip. He asked me to book a train ticket. So that is the one of the toughest job ever I can do it in the India, right? So then he is asked me to book the ticket in the morning 11 o'clock with 11 steps in IRCTC. Please, if he asked me to jump from the 5th floor to ground floor, yes, I'm happily dive and break my legs. No problem. Being a product designer, booking a ticket in IRCTC website at the morning 11 o'clock, login is a problem, SBI advertisement is a problem, I have to scroll down, enter my email ID, getting OTP, so we cannot book the ticket. So open challenge. So Mercedes-Benz had one open challenge. If anybody drove their car upside down, that is, this is a Mercedes-Benz, if you are turn up upside down, they give $1 million. So I can give you. So 11 o'clock in the morning, IRCTC, if you book a ticket on Takkal, I'll give you 1,000 rupees. So there is an open challenge. We can do that. Even though I loaded my money in the wallet, I am not able to book the ticket. Booking a ticket is the biggest problem. I was skipping to travel by train in almost 10 years due to this great IRCTC services. So what happened? I'm trying to find the alternative solution. So luckily, you won't believe it. Even I wouldn't believe first. So I found one app, the app name called RailOne. It's one of the fantastic experience. So in today's topic, I'm going to walk through this RailOne app and I'm going to share my thoughts as a product designer, why I am choosing RailOne than the IRCTC. I'll open a RailOne application. So registered user login here, new user registration. So what I'm going to do that, or register with Rail Connect or UTS, or login as guest. Very simple. So they have so many options. And next thing is they have English and Hindi. Okay. In future, they may be including other languages as well for this app. So it's called a localization. Now I'm going to the login as guest. Again is asking my mobile number. I don't know why, but anyway, we'll see. So I gave my OTP and I entered the app. Again, this RailOne also a super app. Right? So nowadays, I don't know, all the crazy Indian apps, all are become super apps. They are offering too many options, too many apps running inside the apps. Right? So I can search the train, PNR status, coach position, track your train, order food, file refund, rail madad, go to waves. I don't know what does that mean. And do you know first ever passenger? So these are the facts. Follow us on social media. Hey, it's very clean here. Under the journey planner, they have 3 options: reserved, unreserved, and platform. The reserved, I can able to search for my trains. So it's very, very easy and pretty clean. And unreserved also, I can able to do it, but I have to register for that. So everything we need to register, then only we can able to do the things. And more offerings, what they are doing, we can able to search the trains. So by train number or the train name. MDU Vande Bharat. So I'm searching for scheduling of the train. So I choose the train, I hit the schedule button. So from Madurai Vande Bharat, I'm having so many trains options. So Madurai Vande Bharat, it goes to Bangalore. So it's a schedule of that. So I can able to easily find the train schedule from this application. And the next thing is I can able to find the PNR status. So this app is very clean and very, very user friendly, and you can able to use it without having any difficulty. So the coach position. Coach position is basically speaking where your coach is being located. So how do you locate your coach? So first thing is you need to put your train number. So 12633. For example, I am showing this Kanyakumari Express and show the coach position. And here you can able to find your coach. So first is engine, second one is SLRD, and 2 and 3 is our general, and S1 to S7, then M1 to B5, then H1, A1, A2. So from this, you can able to find your coach easily and you can able to go to the coach directly. All right. So the next position is track your train. So this is also very, very convenient. So you can able to find the status of that. So same like arrival status and platform number 6 and the departure would be around 5:20. So current movement, if you want, you can see the live position and the coach position. All right. And they have the clear bottom nav bar. Now I am going to reserved. So here I am going to select the location and hit the search button. Then it shows all the trains. So I have to choose the dates and I am going to choose the class. All right. So now it shows everything. So review journey details. So everything is very clean. So when it compared to IRCTC, each and every information, there is a advertisement in between that information. That is very much annoying. And the second thing is the payment option and other stuffs. So for example, this select the passenger. So this feature is not available in IRCTC. I have to type manually. But here in this app, once if I am going to adding my data very earlier, I have to select passenger, then automatically it will be filled. So I am going to select add existing or add new. So if I am going to add new, so I am going to type my name, right? So Rambal, so 45 India, so lower class and add passenger. Add existing, select passenger, review journey details. So now what happened, already I was keep some money in the wallet. So it's available here. So if I am going to enter this captcha here, then what will happen? Automatically, the money will be deducted from my wallet and my ticket get booked. So it's that easy in this app. So this is one of the coolest app. For this reason only I am saying that without during my booking journey, I wouldn't see not even single advertisements and I wouldn't see not even single deviation from my journey. So it's very, very easy to use. So now you can able to feel that experience, right? So compared to now, you can compare yourself with the IRCTC and this RailOne. All right. So being an UX and UI designer, this app is offering more easy to use, clean user journey, that is a booking ticket, right? So everything is ease. If you want to share your thoughts about this application or IRCTC, you can share your thoughts in the comment section. We can discuss in the detailed manner over there. And also, if I am saying anything wrong in this video and I am wrongly promoting this RailOne, right? Don't hesitate to roast me. You can roast me in the comment section. We can discuss that also. And this is not a paid promotion. As a product designer, I am sharing my thoughts in a very honest and open manner. And I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye-bye.